Hello, welcome to Pink Faluda. Today we're gonna see how to make tuna cakes. This is a quick snack with a few ingredients, but you can also have it with your lunch or dinner as well. The ingredients to make tuna cakes are 1 small tuna can, 3 potatoes, 2 onions medium size sliced, 1 big green chili chopped, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon chili flake, 2½ teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon fennel, water and oil. Peel off the potatoes and wash them thoroughly. Then cut them into small cubes. Keep a pot on a stove and add enough water to boil the potatoes. Then put ½ teaspoon salt in it. Now add the potatoes in it, mix well and cook it in medium flame until the potato becomes soft and easy to mash. While they are boiling, let's prepare the tuna. To make tuna cakes, you can either use a water tuna can or an oil tuna can. I'm using a tuna can which comes with oil. First, remove the oil from the can into a cup. If you are using the tuna which comes without oil, then remove that water. We won't be needing it. Now put the drained tuna in a dish or a cup and separate it into pieces. Canned tuna comes in a thick piece. Separating it into small pieces will make the cooking easier. Once the potato cubes are boiled well, drain the water and keep them aside. Now keep a pan on a stove and heat it in medium flame. Once the pan is dry, add enough oil to fry the onions. I'm using 3/4 of my tuna oil, but if you are using saltwater tuna, then use your usual cooking oil. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, put the onions, fennel, chili and saute well. Once the onion becomes transparent, add the chili flakes and pepper powder and saute it for another 2 minutes. As I'm using tuna oil, I won't be adding any salt to this because it's a bit salty. But if you are not using tuna oil, then you need to add a little salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon salt now. If you need more, you can add later. Now add the tuna pieces and mix well. Cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring to prevent it from getting burned. Now the tuna is cooked well. Taste it and see if you need to add salt or more pepper. Turn the flame into low and add the boiled potato and mix everything. Slowly mash the potato well with the tuna. Once everything is mixed well, taste it again for pepper and salt. After adding the potatoes, the hotness of the pepper will be less. So if you need a little more pepper, you can add now and mix well. Once everything is mixed well, remove the pot from the stove and let it cool for 5 minutes. Keep a non-stick pan on a stove and heat it in medium flame. If you are using a normal pan, then once it is hot, apply a little oil to it with a cooking brush or just a kitchen paper. Now take the little amount of tuna mixture and roll it with your hands. Then make it flat. Make sure that you don't make it very thin. Now place it in the pan. Roast the tuna cakes each side for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want the sides to be a little more roasted, you should keep it a little longer in the pan. Now the tasty tuna cakes are ready. Try it and let me know on the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to see more, please subscribe, like and share. Until then, take care.